Now let's go back to President Trump's impeachment trial, because as that continues in the Senate, we can actually speak to someone who has had first-hand experience. Susan Block, a constitutional expert at Georgetown University Law Center, joins us now. You testified as an expert at the Clinton impeachment hearings in 1998. Just going to these two historical moments, how does what you've seen so far compare to what you experienced back then?
Well, this is quite different. In the Clinton impeachment, the facts were not really in dispute. The question was simply whether they warranted impeachment. Here, Trump is not cooperating. The facts are somewhat in dispute. The Trump administration will not be providing any help in the investigation. The other thing is that the Senate seems a little bit more partisan than it was in the Clinton administration. At least in the Clinton administration, there was more agreement on the rules of proceeding. And finally, in the Clinton administration, at the time, it was Clinton's it was his second term, so he was not going to face re-election. Here with Trump, it's obviously his first term, and the concern that the Democrats have is that he's misusing his office to corrupt the upcoming election. So things really are quite different.
So the Democratic managers, they've now got 3 days starting from today to present their case. What do they need to do to win over those Republican senators then?
Well, it looks like it'll be quite difficult. But I think what they need to do is try and show that for some reason Trump is not cooperating, Trump is not helping give documents or give the facts. And I guess the question that the Democrats want to present to the senators and to the public is, would an innocent person act this way? Why is the Trump administration not helping with the investigation? Why are they hiding facts and documents? And that's the goal, I think, of the Democrats, to convince the senators that there's something wrong here.
How, when you watch this across the world, many viewers will see that this is incredibly partisan. We saw on the first day the votes were going down very much on partisan lines. Briefly, how is that something that can be unlocked?
I don't know. I mean, what most people are wondering is, why aren't more senators concerned with how they will look when history reveals the facts? And if the senators, have not fully explored this, won't history look bad? Won't they look bad in the eyes of history? But I don't know why they're not afraid of that.
Fascinating to speak to you. Thank you so much, Susan Block from the Georgetown University Law Center. Thank you.